feeling very special.
It's special? How are you, sir? How are you doing? It's feel amazing to be here.
Absolutely amazing to be here, and especially in front of all you guys, being Cameron and myself.
Sir, how are you doing? आप तो हमारे अपने हैं. How are you feeling to be here on the day 2 of MIFF? कल का काफी अच्छा दिन रहा और आज second day में how are you feeling today?
So I'm very happy that the participants have come out in great numbers and have supported the festival. That shows their love for this format of the cinema. We are very happy that documentaries are getting popular, and so you can see the kind of rush is there in the cinema theatres. It's so nice to have all the people here. And I'm so thankful for their film and to be a part of our festival in such an important way. Thank you for making it here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all because of you. So I'll come to you, ma'am. My first question to you is, how did you envision bringing it to life on screen?
The inspiration came from my brother because it's about my brother, and I've been working on it for many years, 3 decades, and the inspiration was because we live in a world where there are stories to tell, and some of them are very important, and this one is about nature and nature conservation, but as well as the interior landscape of a person who lives alone on an island and faces his demons and his wonders, and we go through that journey with him.
That's amazing. So yes, ma'am, I must say I'm a big fan of psychological thrillers, survival movies, and I'm sure the Mercury is going to make a big impact on all the viewers who are going to watch it. Now, may I come to you, sir? Mr. Lloyd Ross, what specific techniques did you use to capture the essence of the story? Now, this is like a talent of yours, or maybe I can say your quality that you're going to share with us. I'll repeat the question for Mr. Lloyd Ross. What specific techniques did you use to capture the essence of the story?
Well, I used the camera, so, and drone and that kind of thing. But the interesting thing about this is because it was shot over so many years. Was in the beginning was a high 8, which he had himself, the main protagonist of the film, and then Gerald's previous partner went there and filmed it on Betacam, and then later on, in the 2000s, I went and shot on the island on 4K. So that's how I did it. Right, okay.
So I think we are going to see a lot of animated things, a lot of visuals which are going to surprise us. Is it?
No animation. No.
Okay. No, if you are showing it on Mercury, how are you depicting it?
On the Mercury Island. It's an island. Yeah, so it's a Mercury Island, it's called, and it's very difficult to get there. And we got there and we filmed it in those different formats over the years, so over a 30-year period. And so yeah, it's a complex story. Yeah.
And what do you think, what impact will it happen on the people, on the viewers? How will it affect when you watch as a viewer? What do you think? What are you looking for?
Hopefully it will make people think about the balance in nature and what happens when it goes out of balance and what can be done and what one person is capable of doing, because it returns a certain agency to humans to be able to do something about a big problem. So it's quite a dark film. It's not an easy listening film. Yeah.
This is surely going to impress us a lot. When I'm talking to you, I can see how nicely it has been to be depicted, and we are glad that you're here. Sir, a last question आपसे पूछूंगी. It's very important for me to ask as a person. So, in this generation where there are a lot of commercial films coming up and so on, how do you think such events and short films are entering our life? How do you think, how does it impact in a person's life when you look at a short film which is dedicated to the topic?
Thank you for asking this question, and I'm glad that we are having this 18th edition of MIF. After India's film The Elephant Whisperers won an Oscar recently, which was a documentary film, and it was a film on conservation, it was a film on environment, the kind of story which you are trying to say, and trying to raise the consciousness of people from the from the eyes of truth. So that's what this festival is about, celebrating the filmmakers and opportunity to get together, cinephiles to see such documentaries from all across the world. And thanks for all the participants to to be here and be a part of this festival.
Thank you so much, sir. That was really great. Thinking that you got to us, that short films are also becoming a huge part in our life. And after ma'am has said, first what happened when we hear the word that is Mercury, we thought that okay, there's something going to be space. But now it shows that Mercury is an island, right? How a single human can survive. It's going to be, I'm going to learn so many things through that, and we are excited. We are going to view it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely talking to you. All the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So much, sir. Sir, आपसे तो हम कल भी मिले थे, and how does it feel to be here? You come, you enter, and the venue is completely sparkling. How are you feeling, sir?
मेरी जो फीलिंग है, मुझे इतना वार्म और इतना पॉजिटिव और इतना क्रिएटिव और इतना सुंदर लग रहा है कि मैं आज भी, मुझे एक बार बताया गया, मैं पूरे भाग के आया हूँ और सब लोग इतने प्यारे हैं और इतने जेन्युइन, बहुत दिन के बाद मुझे इतना सुंदर माहौल मिला है। मेरी 2 लाइन की कविता है। मेरी एक बुक है अज्ञात से ज्ञात की और अमेज़न पे, कि पगडंडियाँ खो चुकी है अब गांव में, लोग जूते पहनने लगे हैं अब पाँव में। तो और मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं ऋषि जी के साथ इनके बगल में खड़ा हूँ। मेरा कोई भी हक और कोई अधिकार नहीं है। पता नहीं कैसे पंचायत मेरी इतनी, मतलब लोगों ने पसंद किया है, जिस वजह से मुझे लोग याद करते हैं और इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही अनुग्रहित हूँ सबके लिए। खास करके इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे बुलाया गया, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
Crime fighting team I run at Transmedia in Delhi, and I got to know them and understand the issues they are facing and obstacles in trying to basically save all species in India. And I was so moved by how selfless these people were. And there was no movie or series in the market like this. Nothing was fulfilling the function.
That's fantastic, sir. It's a great moment. It's like a pioneer of the thought that you are presenting here. Now I'll come to the topic of the event, that is. So there's so many festivals that happen every year, each year. How do you think this festival helps your movie to carry with the audience? How do you feel कि हाँ इधर मैं present करूँगा तो it will reach the right audience? How does it come to your mind? And what do you think of the festival for presenting your movie or whatever it is?
Listen, I love the festival process because festivals are there to curate good content because there's so much out there. So you need something. You need a programmer. You need a team to decide. हमने सब कुछ देख लिया, but this is worth showing. So they are curating. And then for me, it's just being present. I mean,
बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट बता रहा हूँ मैं कि मैं ओशो को सुनता हूँ, ओशो को पढ़ता हूँ और उनके जो भी ध्यान है, बहुत इंटेंस मेडिटेशन है, वो मैं करता हूँ। डायनामिक है, नो माइंड है, हु इज़ इन है, मिस्टिक रोज है। तो ये सब जब मैंने अपने ऊपर काम किया तो मुझे, जैसे मेरी अभी कविता आई है, मैं पेंटिंग बनाता हूँ, अभी जहांगीर में मेरा एग्जीबिशन होने वाला है मेरा, अभी पंचायत आई है, तो पंचायत में एक नए तरह का लोगों को एक मतलब एक्टिंग, अभिनय या पात्र को जीना जैसा जो होता है वो देखा गया है लोगों को, लोग बहुत प्रेम दे रहे हैं। एक बार ओशो से किसी ने पूछा था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा अभिनेता बनना चाहता हूँ, उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ? तो ओशो ने कहा था कि 2 लाइन में, जो आज की तारीख में इंडस्ट्री में लोग उसका जिक्र करते हैं, उन्होंने 2 लाइन में कहा था जो पूरे वर्ल्ड का कोई भी एक्टिंग टीचर नहीं बता सकता है। उन्होंने कहा कि जीवन ऐसे जियो जैसे अभिनय कर रहे हो और अभिनय ऐसे करो जैसे जीवन जी रहे हो। तो मैंने पंचायत में वो जो चरित्र है अपना चंद्रकिशोर सिंह का, उसको मैंने जिया है और वही लोगों को छुआ है, और जब छुआ है तो वो सब का प्रेम मुझे छू रहा है कि मेरे लिए बहुत ही सुंदर है।